We did an acetone wash yesterday before we left to defat the biomass, and we're going to do a different enzyme extraction. Basically get there, but two different ways to do it, measure how much waste is generated by it. And what do we have delivered today? Broken one, new and fresh. Where's my gearbox? In the meantime, we got a raw material delivery. Let's go check and see what was delivered for us. Yep. Raw materials. Yes, indeed. Unloading trucks on a forklift takes forever. But the good news is when you see stacks of raw materials stacking up like this, that means, hey, we got work. We're not going to go out of business anytime soon, to be honest. The amount of work we have through next year.
Conversation, and it has also with John from Seattle, because he'll plug us into that's it. If anything else comes up, I'll send you an email.
Very cool. Dude, these damn things every some bitchin' week. I've got so many deliveries I need. The biggest book in the entire world. They send it with every small package, everything. It's insane. I want my other stuff. I'll add it to the stuff. Holy smell it.
Yes, it's going back. Yep.